Firstly, companies must be clear about their intention of adopting IR. In PwC's 27th Annual Global CEO Survey, 43% of Malaysian CEOs believe their companies will not be economically viable in the next decade if they continue on their current path, and one of the key factors inhibiting their company from changing the way it creates, delivers, and captures value is competing operational priorities. IR, in its process of encouraging greater transparency, can help companies achieve breakthroughs in understanding value creation, reassessing and redefining the way they measure success, promoting long-term decision-making, and abolishing silos to achieve synergies across the entire company. And to achieve this mindset shift, there must be buy-in from top management in order for the company to reap the full benefits of adopting IR. Getting the narrative right internally and externally is another key success factor. Using IR as a framework to help companies navigate the maze of ESG standards will help them communicate value with impact and with authenticity. The IR framework can work as an umbrella with room for expanded disclosures relating to specific ESG matters, such as TCFD to provide more disclosures on climate-related risks, GRI to expand on environment, social and governance matters, and linking of strategy to United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Using integrated thinking helps align the business model and communicate its strategy, including sustainability, to drive impactful transformation within the company. This will in turn drive outcomes that are aligned with the company's purpose, using meaningful and consistent metrics supported by verified data. The end goal is to help companies build trust with their stakeholders, mitigate greenwashing risks, and create alignment internally and externally with stakeholders.
We understand some of the concerns and challenges associated with embarking on IR, which typically includes resource constraints, knowledge, talent, and cost. However, IR is not purely a reporting mechanism. It also encompasses integrated thinking, which could assist business owners and enterprises in examining their business to resource utilization and value creation in a holistic manner. We have witnessed significant impact, such as the disruption caused by COVID-19 to supply chains, which led to numerous business shutdowns. The EU Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism (CBAM) could affect up to 57% of Malaysia's exports to the EU by 2026, with our manufacturing SMEs experiencing the highest impact during the initial phase. The heightened expectations from investors and regulators has seen a corresponding increase in demand for non-financial reporting to ensure portfolios are resilient and sustainable practices. Integrated reporting and the underlying integrated thinking challenges business owners to better understand their stakeholders. These stakeholders are not only shareholders, financials, and customers, but also employees, suppliers, and society at large. It also provides a more comprehensive perspective of the various capitals or resources used by an entity and ensures owners are conscious when using them for short, medium, and long-term sustainable value creation. Our recommendation is not to view IR or any reporting frameworks merely as documentation exercises. Instead, we should see them as guiding tools that illuminate the intricate links between financial and non-financial aspects, integrating them seamlessly into business strategy and operations. Starting with modest steps and gradually progressing in phases will support a resilient business and foster sustainable growth.
The ISSB standards have adopted some of the IR principles, and therefore the adoption of IR is not lost. In addition, the core principle of value creation of an organization with the view of the investor in mind under the IR framework and the tenets of integrated thinking and its benefits alone are enough reason why it makes sense for any organization with astute investors behind it to embark on IR. However, do embark on this journey for these right reasons as opposed to a compliance exercise. Many organizations have even had a rethink or reassessment of their business strategies by applying the IR principles. When applied correctly, so the benefits are evident. Do be cognizant, however, the proper adoption and full realization of the benefits is a journey over time.